Okay, so as you can tell, I don't key Sargent interchangeable core every day, and I've taken in Aloha the large format interchangeable core class with William Link, CML, absolutely tops. I think he's now, I know that now in 2025 he's the director of education for Aloha. Super awesome fellow, and I'm greatly appreciative and to have sat in a couple of his classes. So his classes actually allowed me to pass the small format PRP, the large format PRP, the high security cylinder PRP. Okay, so as I'm speaking to the client, realizing I have forgotten much of this, I'm pulling up the catalog, and I'm going to show you where that catalog is. But these hollow drivers, what I do recall, basically in chambers 3 and 4, chambers 3 and 4 is where the control lug, the control shear line is at. So the springs look like that, right? The hollow driver looks like that. Now, in the conventional core, pinning kit does not have hollow drivers, and the reason they're using hollow drivers is because the springs still need to be a definite length. So they're using hollow drivers like that to allow the spring to be its proper size. And the client obviously doesn't have hollow drivers because he doesn't have a interchangeable core kit. And I didn't know off the top of my head that hollow drivers were used, because I had forgotten that, and that they were only included in the pin kit. And obviously in those chambers you're going to have 3 and 4, you're going to have build-up pins to get you to that second shear line to turn. It might be counterclockwise on Sargent, I don't remember, to get to that control shear line to be able to insert and pull that core out. Okay, let's start with the beginning. I went to my website. I typed in Sargent in the search box. Click on an item that is Sargent. I usually just go to page 50. Click on any item. Click on the manufacturer's logo that's going to appear right here. That'll take you to the manufacturer's page. Then full line catalog. Actually, what I did first was I went to the price list. Let's go to the price list first. And I typed in pinning, Control F, pinning kit, and I did find right here cylinders and keying. So I can go to page 1. Cylinders and keys. And cylinders and keys is the section. Clicking right here. It happened to be on CK14, so I'm just going to scroll to CK14. And sure enough, rekeying kit. Okay, conventional keying. Then I saw, oh, there is a separate part number for a removable core. It would be really helpful if they called it interchangeable core, because interchangeable core and removable core are not the same definition in the Aloha list council glossary. Removable core would have been a Schlage G series. Interchangeable core could be what we're talking about now. So that, I don't like the use of the term removable. Or maybe if it is for removable, it needs to be removable, interchangeable, and removable core. But that didn't tell me anything other than a brief description and the list price. Then I fired up the catalog. I knew that the part number was 437RC, so just Control F, 437RC, and there it is. Use with the 437C. That's telling me that you kind of need to rock and roll with 2 pin kits, which I didn't mention to the client. It wasn't obvious to me. Includes additional pins to repin Sargent 6300 and the 10-6300, which I don't recall what the 10 prefix does. Is that signature? Is that what it is? I bet that's what it is. Yeah, signature. The 10 prefix is signature. And the signature large format cores that have been pinned using hollow drivers. The kit includes special hollow top drivers and springs which were used in chambers 3 and 4 of master keyed cores prior to January of 09. That's interesting. I wonder if they don't use hollow drivers anymore. And that's what the kit includes. Hollow top pins, page 16, which is one page up. Hollow top pins. Bottom pins, master driver pins. And that could be what it was. That they... Listen, I'd have to do a deep dive into Sargent to know if they use hollow top pins at this point. And I don't know if signature series manual. And I just controlled F for hollow. When pinning 6300 cores, chambers 3 and 4 require the use of hollow drivers and spring found in the 437RC kit. So yeah, you do need those. You do need those. This manual is back on the manufacturer's page. It was just, this is what I clicked. Oh, IC core pinning worksheet. I knew how to do this. I knew the math. It's not hard, but you'd have to study it just to get it right. Not a big deal. So this is what's included, these hollow top drivers. So yeah, you're going to need those. The signature manual says you do.